are we here? Welcome back, or welcome. And if it's the last one, please let me tell you, we do tech reviews and unboxings of cool tech like this one today. If that's something that interests you, please consider subscribing, give a thumbs up in this video, and share it all around with your friends. With this said, we're gonna start the review of the Soundpeats Air4 Lite. So this is another pair of earbuds from Soundpeats with high-res audio, as you guys can see there on the corner. So I'm gonna tell you all about these earbuds, how they sound. I'm gonna do a mic test, all the specs, price, all of that. If that interests you, please stay around. Let's start with the price. The Soundpeats Air4 Lite has a price tag of £37.49 in UK and $49.99 in US. Like always, I will leave links in the video description. Please check them up for best price and product information. The Soundpeats Air4 Lite has a different case this time, comparing with the Air 3. It is more slim. It comes in this glossy black color that will gather scratches and fingerprints as you use it. At the front, you have a button that allows you to check the battery left in the case and to reset your earbuds and put them in pairing mode. At the back, you have Soundpeats branding on a rose gold collar in the hinge. At the bottom, you have a USB-C charging port. Open the case is like in all the Soundpeats earbuds, a very smooth experience, with the case staying open in all positions so that you can access your earbuds. The Air4 Lite are a semi-in-ear earbuds that can be considered by many a better wearing experience. There is no difference in the design here. They have the same glossy black on the ear tip, and the stem is on a matte black. It will be a great choice of color for the case. And on the touch controls, you have the Soundpeats logo on a rose gold color. Battery life. Let me start by saying that is impressive, such a small earbuds with such great battery life, and this is an improvement over the Air 3 line. You have 7 hours of playback time on a single charge on a normal mode, and 4.5 hours with LDAC mode, and 30 additional hours with the case. There is no Qi wireless capabilities, and there is no fast charge either. But the battery is impressive. It will take you through a normal day at work. Although it has light on its name, the Air4 Lite has a great specs with Bluetooth 5.3 chipset and high-res audio with LDAC and SPC audio codecs. It has 13mm dynamic drivers, gaming mode with 80 milliseconds low latency. It has 6 mics with call noise reduction. More on that in a few minutes. You have also multi-point connection and custom EQ in the app. Talking about the app, it's called Soundpeats, I know right? First page, you have the earbuds with the percentage left. When you go to the bottom left corner, you can adjust the volume control. After that, you have the adaptive EQ. Then you have 8 EQ presets to choose from. Or you can use the custom EQ for your like. You can turn the gaming mode on and off. Turn off all the controls, good when doing sports for example, and you can also enable or disable the dual device connection. Back to the first page, on the top left corner, you can also update your firmware. Simple app, that works well. Because these ones are the Air4 Lite, they don't have ANC. The big brother, the Air4, have adaptive ANC. Before we move to the important part of the video, the sound quality, let's have a look at the mic sound quality. They have 6 mics with AI call noise reduction, so please be the judge on the next call quality test, indoors and outdoors.
Right guys, so this is the sound of the Soundpeats Air4 Lite. This is how it will sound if you want to take a phone call inside of a room. This is a quiet room, no noises around, so this is how it will sound if you're going to take a phone call. So we're going to go outside and test the mics now. Right guys, so this is the sound of the Soundpeats Air4 Lite outside. A little bit windy, not that much. So if you want to take a phone call outside, this is how it will sound. We're going to go inside and carry on with the review.
Sound quality. So the Soundpeats Air4 Lite are an semi-in-ear earbuds. So the sound quality will be different from other types of earbuds. They have 13mm dynamic drivers with support for LDAC Codec. And this helps with the sound quality, creating a very good atmosphere, sense, and more detail. The vocals are clear and bright. Not the best sound quality that we normally expect from Soundpeats, but far from bad sound. My final opinion. So, the Soundpeats Air4 Lite are budget-friendly earbuds with LDAC codec and high-res audio. They are comfortable to use and they sound okay. In my opinion, they are for people to use on a daily commuting when listening to music or playing games on the phone. Because they are the light version, they don't have support for ANC and also missing in-ear detection. But in the end, they are a great choice on the budget side. And that's it, guys. This was our review on the Soundpeats Air4 Lite. If you found any value in this review, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with all your friends, and if you haven't subscribed, now is the time to subscribe. With this said, Thiago here, wishing you guys a lovely day with your friends and family, and I'll catch you in the next one.